Hey y'all, Layforn Profice here with Profice Insurance and Financial Services. Welcome to another episode of Insurance Explained, where we make insurance simple, one topic at a time. Today, I want to answer a very simple question. What is life insurance? Now, I know most people think they know, already know the answer. It is the money that is paid when a person dies. And that's true. But there's more to that. That really doesn't explain why we have life insurance. And to explain why we have life insurance, we have to go back nearly 2,000 years. All right. Imagine you're living in ancient Rome. You're a soldier. You leave home every day, not realizing or not knowing if you will ever return home. Back home are your wife, your children, your family. If something happens to you, they don't just lose a husband or a father. They lose the income that the family that fed the family. They lose the protection that you provided. Some families couldn't even afford a proper burial. So people began doing something very simple. They pulled their money together. Everyone contributed a little. If one member died, money from the pool helped care for the person's family and burial expenses. That simple idea eventually grew into what we know today as life insurance. Notice something. It wasn't created because somebody wanted to sell life insurance. It was created because families had a problem that needed solving. That brings us to another word, risk. People hear that word and think it's complicated. It's really not. Risk simply means something could happen, and if it does, the financial consequences could be serious. Think about it. We insure our car because accidents happen. We insure our homes because fires and storms and tornadoes happen. We buy health insurance because people get sick. Life insurance protects against financial risk created when someone dies. Notice I said financial risk. Life insurance cannot replace a husband. It cannot replace a wife. It cannot replace a mother or a father, but it can replace the income that they provided. I want you to follow me to my kitchen. I set up a little project I want to show you. Let me give you a picture. Imagine that this bucket right here represents your family's finances. Every paycheck that you earn pours a little bit into that bucket. Your mortgage gets paid, the lights stay on, groceries are bought, and your children are going to school and you're able to drive them to school with transportation. Now imagine something happens to the person that is earning that income. That paycheck is going to stop, but your mortgage doesn't stop. The utility bills don't stop. The grocery bills don't stop. Tuition and transportation, all these things don't stop. Life keeps going and that bucket keeps draining. That's where life insurance comes in. It won't replace the person that you lost, but it will replace the finances or the financial resources that they provide. So that little project I just showed you in the kitchen, that's why life insurance exists. But here's something I really wish more people understood. People don't buy life insurance because they plan on dying. They buy it because they love someone. A husband buys it because he loves his wife. A wife buys it because she loves her husband. Parents buy it because they love their children. Grandparents buy it because they want to leave something behind. Business owners buy it because other people depend on them. Life insurance isn't really about death, it's about love and responsibility. Over the next several weeks, we're going to continue breaking down insurance into plain English. We'll cover topics or questions like what is term life insurance, what is whole life insurance, what is face value, what is cash value, what happens if I miss a payment, and many more. If there's an insurance term you've always wondered about, leave it in the comments. I may cover it in future episodes. I'm Layforn Profice with Profice Insurance and Financial Services. Remember, profit means benefit. And as your agent, that's what I aim to be, a benefit to you.